Good morning, children. Today, again, I am here with you with our new topic articles. So, what are articles? Children, there are three articles in English: a, an, and the. These are three articles in English. A and n are called indefinite articles as they do not refer to any particular person, place, or thing. And the is known as definite article because it is used when we refer to a particular person, animal, or thing. Understand? So, article a and n used before singular countable noun. The noun which are singular and as well as countable also. A pen, an egg. So, pen is singular and countable as well. We can count. An egg, yes, same with egg. Egg is singular as well as countable. But the we can use with both singular as well as plural nouns and countable as well as uncountable nouns like the water. So water is uncountable noun. The pen is countable noun. So you can see that we can use the with countable noun or uncountable noun, both nouns we can use, and singular as well. The boy, sometimes we use the boy as well as the boys. So boy is singular and boys plural. So yes, the we can use with singular as well as plural nouns. Now come to the use of a and n. So children, already you have learnt about vowels in your previous classes. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U are vowels. These are five vowels in English alphabet. And all the other letters in English alphabet are consonant. So we use the use of A and N depends upon sound with which a word begins, with which a noun begins. I'm going to explain you in detail. Yes, A and N. A is used with consonant or the word which start with consonant sound, and N is used with the words which start with vowel sounds. So now the question is that what are consonant sounds and what are vowel sounds? When I will explain you this, children, I will take help of Hindi also because you have done swar vyanjan in Hindi. So the children, the swar sound in Hindi are same vowel sounds in English. Sorry, are same vowel sounds in English. The sound which directly comes from your throat. When we pronounce these sounds, we do not need the help of any mouth organ like tongue, teeth, lips. We don't need the help of these mouth organ. The vowel sound directly comes out from our throat. That's why these sounds are known as vowel sounds. So we use a before singular countable noun which starts with consonant sound. Where do we use a? The sound which starts with the words which starts with consonant sound. For example, a mango. So the first sound of mango is ma, mango. So this is consonant sound. A cup, first sound ka, a cup, a house, etc. So these all are mango, cup, house. First sound is consonant sound. That's why we use here a. But if any noun starts with vowel sound, so we use vowel sound, then we use n. So use of n, we use n before singular countable noun which starts with vowel sound, which starts with vowel sound. For example, an apple, an elephant, an igloo, and so on, etc. So in this way, children, you see that sound matters a lot than letters. In your junior classes, in your previous classes, what you have learned, that the words which starts with vowel, there we use n, and the words which starts with consonant, There we use N, A. But when you go to higher classes, the rule little bit change. That not only letters, sound matters. Not only letters, sound matters. Okay, we will see the exceptional case of these rules also in next. Some examples. This topic, the use of A and N will be clear to you with the help of these examples. A uniform, a unicorn, an R, an MLA, an NGO, an empire, a maths teacher, an honest man, etc. I took some examples. A uniform. So you see that the first letter is U and U is vowel. A unicorn, again first letter U and U is vowel. And in third example, NR, the first letter is H and H is not vowel, but still we used here N because the sound of R is vowel sound. As I told you that sound matters, children. So the first sound of R is A, which is vowel sound. And in uniform and unicorn, the first sound is U, which is not vowel sound. That's why we use here A. Next example, NMLA. The word is starting with alphabet M. But when we pronounce this word collectively, MLA, the first sound which comes with our throat is M, A, So again, this is vowel sound. That's why we use here N. Next example, NGO. Again, N is not. If we talk about the letter N is not. If we talk, yes, N is not vowel, but the sound of N is vowel sound. That's why we use here N. An empire. The word again start with U, but the sound is also vowel sound. That's why we use here N. A maths teacher, yes, normal example, consonant word, consonant, and the sound is also consonant, a maths teacher. An honest man. Again, the word is starting with H, which is not vowel, but the sound is vowel sound. That's why we use here H. Again, one more example I am taking. A social science teacher and an SST teacher. I think you all can understand that social science teacher and SST teacher are same. But why? At one place we have used a and another place I have used N. What is the reason behind this? The reason is pronunciation. Sorry, the reason is sound, you can say. A social science teacher. If we are talking about this example, so the first sound is sa. First sound is sa, social science. Sa, which is not vowel sound, which is not vowel sound. And next example, an SST teacher. The first sound is again vowel sound, which is directly comes to a throat. So that's why we use here N. So I hope that you understood the use of A and N. Where should we use A and where should we use N? Now come to the use of article the. We use the before a noun which is used to indicate a whole class. Like the lion is the king of the animals. The lion is the king of the animals. The dog is a faithful animal. So here in this sentence, the lion and the dog is referring to the whole class of the animal. We are not talking about only one lion, only one dog. We are talking about the whole class of lion animal and dog animal. Next, before a noun, we have already spoken about, children. Any noun about which we have already spoken in our previous sentence. For example, a man is standing there. The man is waiting for someone. In first sentence, we use a with man. Why? Because first time we are telling about this man, a man is standing there. But when we are writing second sentence, there we use the man. Why? What is the difference? Because now in second sentence we are talking about the same man about which we have already spoken in the previous sentence. In first sentence, a man is standing there. It means in second sentence we are talking about the same man, and now the man will be special, specific. That's why we will use here the man is waiting for someone. Before the name we use the also, before the name of rivers, holy books, newspaper. For example, the Ganga, name of a river; the Ramayan, name of a holy book; the Times of India, name of a newspaper. So next is, we use the before the name of mountain ranges, continent, gulf, seas, oceans, monuments, and etc. For example, the Alps is the mountain range, the Asia is the name of the continent, the Red Sea is the sea, the Pacific Ocean is the name of ocean, and the Taj Mahal is a monument. So we use the before the name of these nouns also. Again, we also use the before superlative degree of adjective. Rashmi is the cleverest girl. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. In these two sentences, children, cleverest and largest are the superlative degree of adjective, as you have already done adjectives in your previous classes. So you know very well that what are superlative. There are three degrees of adjective: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. So if we are using superlative degree in any sentence, so before that superlative degree we use article the. So these were the use of different articles a and the. I hope you understood the topic very well.